hello there. Welcome back. So I'm glad you joined me today. Today, I'm very happy to bring to you guys one of the most expected releases on this year, 2021. Here for you, just especially for you, the Wonder Boy. Bring it on. Okay. Take two. Lo siento, jefe. Alright, and in the meantime, our assistant prepare. Don't forget to give me a thumb up at Darlington says. Here we go. Here we have it. Hey. Now that we have here, I'm very excited about this particular pair. Yeah, I love it. Jordan 4 Lightning. Air Jordan 4 Lightning. Sorry about that. This one is going to be part of my personal and special collection. Don't forget to give me a thumb up on the meantime. And if you want to subscribe, give me a thumb up, activate the little bell, and you can comment a lot. All right, enough about that. Now we have this one in here, Air Jordan 4. And let's get the magic start. Okay? Just let me open this box. Oh, by the way, this box opened a little bit differently than the other ones. And I love the big Jumpman on the top. Yeah, very cool. It's a nice touch. The paper is kind of common paper. Nothing too special around them. But here's the special part. Alright. Oh, God. Sorry. I'm okay. Alright. As you can see, the yellow color on these things, it's beautiful. This is one of the most expected release of Jordans this year, I think. A lot of you wanted to see them. I wanted to see them. Now, the Lightning colorway was originally released on the 2006, and there's been a ton of hype around them. A lot of the Jordan fans want them. You want them. I want them. You know, everybody want this pair, I think. But I think it's going to be enough pairs of this Air Jordan 4 this year. I cannot say it is a pair for everybody. Let me show you the box a little bit. I think it's a very cool touch about the box. So let me show you the big Jumpman on the top. And also little other Jumpmans on the sides. And that's the Nike logos. Yep. Alright. Like I just mentioned, I don't know how much it's gonna be the production for this thing, but this one for me, it's beautiful. You know, of course, I'm gonna show you close-ups from the shoes. As you can see, the wings, the tongue, everything on the shoe. You know, the Jumpman right there. The Jumpman on the outsole. Okay, it's kind of very cool. All right, but enough to see it like that. Let me show you these things exactly as you wanted to see them. I don't have anything to compare these two, but I dig them. This 2021 version is very good. You got this smooth yellow suede or nubuck on the upper. Nice. It's a very nice and soft. And you can see upside down Air Jordan on the back of the tongue. Jumpman flag patch on the tongue. Nettings on the side. On the front half of the tongue, as you can see. The yellow ankle liner. That's great. Oh, and these little crowns. I like to call them crowns. I don't know how you call them, but I love it. As you can see, the nubuck, very soft.
the white and gray midsole, the Air unit, of course. Like I mentioned, the upside down Air Jordan on the back of the tongue, Jumpman on the heel, the little wings, and the white and gray outsole with the yellow Jumpman in the middle. Very cool. Well, there you have it, in all of your glory. And well, this is the Air Jordan 4 Lightning. You see it in here on this channel. Don't forget that I try to give you the best. My channel, you people, I love you. Don't forget to activate the bell, subscribe, comment, give me a thumb up, and we'll see you on the next episode. Let's go with the magic.